Hi guys, today I am going to explain about my project which is stock market price prediction using LSTM. So we are using two files basically, one which creates a model and the one which generates the UI based on the model and predicts our stock market prices. Basically we are importing some libraries like Yahoo Finance to get the stock data and TensorFlow to create the LSTM model, KerasTuner to find the best parameters, and min-max scaler to convert the data and normalize them so we can process easily. Basically we are using Walmart stock by default and taking 10 years of data from 2012 to 2022. We are training on the data and for the model will look into the last 120 days to predict the next day's price. By using yf.download we are going to get the required data like open, high, low, close and volume values for each day, and we are going to scale the value from 0 to 1 so that it makes easier to find the patterns. We split the data into 120 days and predict the next day's close price. By using the build model HP, KerasTuner will try different LSTM neuron counts and it will change the dropout values and learning rate values, and it will choose the model which is optimum for our case, and tuner will select multiple values and finds out which is the best value we could take, and finally we will save the model which will be saved on our directory, and we will use this model in our UI file so we could predict the values. Basically this file is for training the data based on historical stock prices. The LSTM tests different settings and finds the best one and then saves the model which we can use in the UI file. We are going to use Streamlit to generate our UI for predictions. It loads the file basically. Here we can see that it loads our file which we have generated previously, and we are going to put some title and layout, and here by default we are taking Walmart as our input which we could change dynamically, and here it will download the data of the stock name which we have given, and it's the same process, like it will normalize our data, and this is going to use the same model which we have generated previously and predict the data. Finally we are going to print the mean absolute percentage error, like it's basically measure of error, and it's going to show our accuracy which is 100 minus MAP, and finally and R square values, and it's going to plot a chart which shows us actual value and the predicted value. So here we can see that by default it chooses the Walmart stock, and it have given us accuracy of 98% and less error. Now I'm going to change few stock values and we are going to see how much accuracy. Now I'm using Apple stock, and as you can see it's giving 97% accuracy and a little bit higher error compared to a Walmart one. I'm going to go for Microsoft stock. It's giving 97.27. Let's see Google. As you can see it's following the chart very closely, like the difference between the predicted value and the actual value is pretty low. Finally I'm going to check for Tesla. The accuracy is a bit low for this one. That's all. I have tried something new using LSTM and tuning it using KerasTuner. Thanks.